Hello creative families, my name is Juliana. I am the owner and founder of Pachis Art Studio, and I am here to welcome you to Pachis at Home. I am about to go through everything that is in your art kit, and I hope you enjoy it. This is your toddler kit. Every single item that is in your art kit was intended to promote fine motor skills, gross motor skills, pincer, and hand-eye coordination, as well as sensory play and creativity development. It comes with a roll of craft paper that you can lay flat on the floor, tape it on the sides, have your child lay on it, trace the whole body, and then together you can paint it, color it, and decorate it, cut it out, and put it up on your favorite wall at home. Cardstock paper that your children can use to paint. You can cut it into smaller pieces and make some cards with it, or you can use some of the collage materials that are in this bag so that they can decorate that piece of paper. This right here is your sensory play bag. It comes with dyed salt. It was dyed with food coloring, so it's non-toxic, and it has different beach themed items in it. All you have to do is find a small plastic container, dump out all the salt, and then lay the shells and the little woodpeck doll and the tiny little beach ball so that it looks kind of like a beach scene, and just allow your child to play. This bag comes with pipettes, Q-tips, collage materials, a glue stick, a quick stick, which is a great and one of my favorite supplies. It looks like a glue stick, but it's actually a paint stick. So you cannot use this to paste anything together. It's intended just to paint and color. It dries in 1 minute and it's not messy at all. So I think you're gonna love it. It comes with a ball of Play-Doh that was handmade and homemade, all with natural ingredients, and it's also non-toxic. Comes with a little bouncy spiky ball for sensorial play that lights up. A small bag of beads that you can use to put, let's say, the pipe cleaners. You stick them into the ball of Play-Doh and then have your child carefully try to put all of the beads into either the Play-Doh or through the pipe cleaners. Finally, you have a set of paint tubs in different colors that you can use to paint your self-portrait, or that you can paint to do your collage with. These are all of your supplies, and I hope you enjoy them. I hope you enjoy everything that is in your art kit, and I can't wait to see what you and your children create. If you feel stuck, if you have any questions, or if you have any more ideas that you want to share with me, please feel free to email me at juliana@mypachis.com. I would love to see what your children make, and follow us on Instagram at mypachis. Thank you, stay healthy, thank you for your support, and have a great day.
Así yo no puedo trabajar, no hay seriedad en el set.